Hey you guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we have a wig that is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. The wig we have today is going to be from the Butta Lace collection. You guys, do you see the highlights? Do you see the curls? You are going to want to see this review, girl. Ooh, this wig, everything. Let's get into it. Ooh, child. Okay, you guys, so welcome back. So this is the wig. This wig, like I said, is from the Butta Lace collection. I have this wig in such a pretty color. I am so glad that I picked this color. So the name of this wig is going to be Butta Unit 13. I have it in a Baylayage Caramel, and the color is everything. So parting area on this is really good. With the Butta laces, basically they're like throw and goes. You can do a little something to the edges if you want. So you don't get a lot of parting on the edges. So like I said, parting area looks good. The hairline on here isn't bad. The lace isn't too bad. I did go in and just spray it just a little bit. You do get baby hairs on this. What I love most about this wig is going to be the texture, and it's going to be the curl where it sits, and also that the lace was not too light on this. So all in all, the wig is nice. The cap construction on this, you do get your normal combs, and you do get adjustable straps in the back. This wig comes in a lot of colors. So let's just go ahead on and get into my full review on this. So okay, you guys, so today's review is going to be sponsored by Sam's Beauty. Thank y'all so much for sponsoring today's video and giving us this new unit from Sensationnel. So I think Sensationnel has come out with a couple other Butta lace or Butta units, excuse me, and I'm not sure if I got the last couple ones, but this one here I saw and was like, yes, I want it because it's an everyday glam. I can wear this wig to work. I can dress this wig up. Then they said they had these Baylayage colors. I'm like, send it over. I want it. I want it. I love this color, you guys. Like, I am so in love with all this that's going on in the front right here. Look at that. So the cap construction on this fits very well. It's just like the rest of them. This is a right side part wig, okay? You don't have to put baby hairs down. You don't have to glue this wig down. You can literally cut the lace off this wig, spray it a little bit if you want to, or just go in with a little bit of powder and throw this wig on and go. I mean, seriously, that's all I did because I was like, let me see if I can do that and not have to do a bunch of stuff to this wig. And it sits perfectly. I feel like this is probably about 14, maybe right at 16 inches, but probably more 14 inches because 12 inches usually sits about here. So probably 14 inches, but I love it. Let me turn around so I can give you guys a 360 because I'm like so excited. I don't want to forget to do that. So that's where it sits. Now I will say the cap construction on this, I did put on a wig grip before I turn all the way around. I did put on a wig grip, so it kind of sitting up in the back, but that's probably because, like I said, I put on a wig grip, so I didn't have to glue it down. So there we go with that. Look at that. I am loving it. Look where it sits on me. Like, yes, get into it, get into it, get into it. Look at that shake. Yes, parting area on this looks really good to me. I like it. I'm in love with these colors in the front. This one here is Baylayage Caramel, and I want to say that I ended up getting another wig from Sensationnel in the Baylayage Caramel, and I think it was the bob that I just reviewed maybe last week or a week and a half ago. And that one looks totally different than this one. And that's what I mean by the Baylayage or the Flamboyage colors. Sometimes they put the placement of the blonde or the caramel in different areas. So this one, this time to me, it's really pretty. The back of it, you do get this like brown color. I hope you guys can see that. It's like a brown color. And then you get this in the front, which just, like I said, it's so pretty to me. I didn't glue this down or anything. I literally just threw this on. If you want, you can go in and spray the part, but this is how flat it lays. Like, I didn't do anything to this wig really, but cut the lace off and it just lays really flat. I like where this curl sits as well. I'm going to pull the hair to the front. This is all the hair to the front. Great for summertime. Excellent for spring because you don't have to worry about too much hair on your neck, and you can also get underneath it. It also moves, and the best thing about this, you guys, is this hair is textured. You do feel texture when you run your hands through it. It's not full yaki, but it's definitely like a permed yaki because I can feel, you know, some texture. Look at just how this bang piece just flows. What?
Girl, I love it. I am so in love with this little wig. And the fact that I don't have to do baby hairs, I don't have to put anything down, I don't have to glue it down, just put it on and get this look. So if I was to go in and, you know, put a couple hairs down in the front and mold that front, it'd be perfect. Basic wig, but in this color, it's elevated. So tell me what you guys think about it. Tell me what you think about this curl that sits right here and all this up in here, you guys. I'm loving it. I can't stop looking everywhere because it's so flippin' pretty. I'm in love with it. So yeah, do you like the butter lace or do you like the melted lace? Butter lace is Sensationnel. The melted hairline lace is going to be outre or outre. Which one do you like better? I feel like I love the melted hairline one, but this one here is just as nice. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending over the wig. Thanks again to my returning subscribers and my YouTube babes for coming back. You guys know I've kind of been like on hiatus. I've been working, but not as much as I usually do. So April is here. I will be working more. You will be back seeing 3 reviews a week. So make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. Check to make sure your subscriptions are active because I have been getting like comments that people are like, I did not subscribe to your channel, but I wasn't subscribed and I don't know what happened. So check your check to make sure that you are still subscribed to the channel. And thank you guys again for watching. You guys, this wig though, look at this, girl. I love this. And freeze this back. Yes. Yes, you guys. Yes. So please subscribe if you haven't. If you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. I want to know. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok, all the social medias. My name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.